The new OnePlus Nord CE has been launched and it comes with a few upgrades on last year's OnePlus Nord. The new phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset, also a 64 megapixel main camera, and the price is actually less than last year's OnePlus Nord. The OnePlus Nord CE starts at Rs 22,999. We have the phone with us and it's time to unbox it and have a look at all these specifications, features as well as its design. You're watching India Tech. I am Manas Tiwari, but before we unbox the new OnePlus Nord CE, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any updates from our side. Now, let's get started. So this is the OnePlus Nord CE 5G box. Also, I have the old OnePlus Nord which was launched last year. So I've kept it alongside. And on the box itself, you will see a lot of OnePlus branding, as you can see here. Also on the other side, there is a OnePlus Nord CE 5G written, so which also confirms that this is a 5G ready smartphone. At the back, you get certain specifications. This is of course the blue color variant that we have for review. The price has been cut, but we know that it starts at Rs 22,999. Also, we have the 12GB RAM variant of the phone for review. Now open the first layer of packaging, and if we go back again, we can see that the phone weighs 170 grams, which is quite lightweight given the current standards of smartphones. Now let's open the box and see what all comes inside of it. So first up, you have the phone itself, and let me just take it out of the packaging and show you. And as you can clearly see here, the new Nord CE 5G looks very similar to last year's OnePlus Nord. In fact, the only thing that differentiates the two is that back panel. Last year's Nord, as you can see, is a lot more reflective and glossy, while this one has got sort of a matte finish. Even the camera modules at the back look very similar on both the phones. Let's just start this phone and keep it aside for a second, and let's have a look at the other in-box contents. So you get a USB to Type-C charging cable here, along with a fast charger. This charger supports Warp Charge 30T, and we know that OnePlus has pretty good fast charging standards, so that's what you get here. Also, with every sort of launch, OnePlus is increasing the paperwork that comes with the smartphone, and you can clearly see it here as well. There's a quick start guide, also a bit of safety information. You also get a transparent Nord sticker and a Red Cable Club membership card as well. Also, OnePlus is shipping the phone with a pretty decent quality case, so which you can use till the time you buy a new one. Now coming to the phone itself, we have the blue color variant here, and you can see that one of the major upgrades is that this one comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack, while last year's OnePlus Nord did not have it. So OnePlus has kept the new Nord quite slim and still managed to put in a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now in terms of specifications, what you get on the new Nord CE is a 6.43-inch AMOLED display. It's a full HD plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. The smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset. This is the same processor that we have previously seen on Xiaomi's Mi 10i. There is a triple rear camera setup which includes a 64 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and also a 2 megapixel monochrome lens. On the front, you get a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Now that's another interesting thing, because the original Nord had two selfie cameras while this one has only one. Now the phone of course runs on Android 11, and it has OnePlus Oxygen OS as well on top of Android 11. Now in terms of pricing, you get three variants of OnePlus Nord CE 5G. The base variant, which comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, is priced at Rs 22,999. The 8GB RAM variant, which comes with 128GB storage, is priced at 24,999, while the top of the line 12GB RAM variant with 256GB storage is priced at 27,999. There are three color options: blue void, charcoal ink, and silver ray colors, out of which the blue white that we have has a matte finish. Now if I move on to the camera app of the phone, you get a lot of standard options. There is a photo mode, a portrait mode. We'll click few images and show you how the image samples look like. There's also a pro mode on the phone as well as a nightscape mode for night shots or low light photography. It has also got an upgrade in the battery department. On the new Nord CE 5G, you get a 4500 mAh battery, while the older Nord came with a smaller battery pack. And of course, you get a Warp Charge 30T with this phone. The OnePlus Nord CE will compete against the iQOO Z3, which was recently launched in the country, and also against the upcoming Mi 11 Lite. But in terms of upgrades, what you get is a better processor, a slightly bigger battery pack, and also an improved main camera. But apart from that, most things remain same as last year's OnePlus Nord. It's good to see that the company has still managed to price the phone in the similar category. So that was our unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE. We'll of course be testing this phone over the next few days and bring you a detailed review of it on Indie Tech as well.